it all. Somebody came in with a raccoon's private part that apparently in years past they used as a toothpick. Yeah, I didn't take a picture of it, but I think you can figure it out. It's on the male raccoon. Yeah. Deep in the heart of Texas. Also, side note, had to share this with everybody. We have the coolest police force ever. They got one of their cars back, and somebody programmed this amazing song on there, and he came up just to show us, and it went off saying, bad boys, what you gonna do, what you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do, what you gonna do when they come for you? Yes, gotta love Texas. That's all. I had to share it with everybody. It was funny. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to share.